Hey handsome peeps out there, this is Tasnim and welcome to my channel. Today I filmed this bold sea greenish hollow eyes kind of look. This is very bold and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. And before starting, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos and like this video if you do, and follow me on my Instagram for more such updates, and DM me if you have any queries related to makeup or anything, and you can also comment down below if you have any queries. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. I'm starting off with my Colourpop X Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. I'm taking the shade Shooting Star in a bigger blending brush and applying it to my crease, and then I'm going to take a smaller blending brush and then apply it to my crease to get more precise. Now taking my ABH Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to take the shade Raw Sienna in a bigger blending brush, rub it in my crease, and then take a smaller blending brush and then apply it to my crease. Now taking a flat, even more bigger blending brush by Real Technique, I'm going to take the shade Red Ochre and then blend it in my crease. So there is a lot of crease work going on over here, and then I'm going to take again the shade Burnt Orange, apply it to my crease, and then Raw Sienna back again in a smaller blending brush by e.l.f. and apply it to my crease. So as you guys can see, there is a lot of crease work going on. I'm taking a really small tapered blending brush by Real Technique and taking the shade Water Bearer. I'm going to apply it to the inner V of my eyes and also to the outer V of my eyes. As you guys can see, I'm literally stamping that color in those places. Now I'm dragging Water Bearer to the inner V of my eyes, but I'm keeping the middle part completely empty, and I'm going to just stamp the color even more to get more pigmentation, and then switching my brush, I'm going to just blend this color ever so slightly to my crease, and then again just stamp and blend. You just have to repeat this process until you are satisfied with the pigmentation and the blending of your eyes. Now taking the shade Mermaid Boy in my fingers, I'm going to apply it to the middle part of my eyes, which was empty. This is a very teal green shimmery color. I continued to do that, but I wasn't happy with the intensity, so I took a flat brush and I sprayed it with some setting spray and applied it to get a more intense shade. Now you can completely ignore this step if you want to, but I wanted to make this look even more dramatic, so I took my Kiss Beauty gold liner and I just lined the upper part. As you guys can see, I don't know how to explain this, and then I took a golden shade and just popped it in my inner corners to give some highlight, and then applied a coat of mascara to my lashes. I lined my lower lash line with the same gold liner, but I poked my eyes, so be careful while you're doing that. Then I took the same shade Water Bearer and rubbed it along my lower lash line. I know it got messy, so I just cleaned it up with some toner off of camera and then applied a coat of mascara again. I know this look calls for falsies, but I really wanted to just stick to my mascara. Anyways, I took my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer and rubbed it along my face. Now taking my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 300, I'm going to just dot it around my face with the help of my beauty blender and just blend it in. By the way guys, I am an NC40. Now taking my W7 bronzer, I'm going to bronze in my usual areas, which is the hollows of the cheeks, my temples, and my jawline. This doesn't have that bronzy shade, rather a contour shade, so I really went lightly with this product. I then blended off those harsh edges with the help of my beauty blender. I'm taking my e.l.f. blush palette and that coral shade. I'm going to apply it to the apples of my face and then just drag it slightly upwards. Now taking my sleek highlighter palette, this one is the Solastice 32 one. I'm taking the below peachy shade and then highlighting the highest points of my face, which is above my cheekbone and my nose. I'm just blending those harsh edges again with the help of my beauty blender. I'm going to apply a combination of lipstick of my NYX lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken and my Golden Rose lipstick in the shade 33, and then just blend it with the help of my fingers. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and you can also head over to my Instagram if you want to see the pictures of this look. And yeah, till then, take care and I love you guys so much. Toodles!